I wish to begin by expressing our heartfelt condolences in connection with the tragic loss of life in a recent hotel fire in the Bolu province in Turkey. And at this difficult time, our sympathies, thoughts and prayers are with the families of the victims, and together with them and with the brotherly people of Turkey, we mourn over the heavy losses and share their sorrow, and we wish a speedy recovery of those injured. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like also to express our gratitude to the Turkish-American Chamber of Commerce and Industry for organizing this event with the United States Azerbaijan Chamber of Commerce and the Consulate General and our special thanks also to the Consulate General of Turkey and the Turkish House for traditional warm hospitality. Today's gathering of the business community and government officials underscores the importance of regional cooperation and undoubtedly demonstrates the significant business potential in our countries. Since restoring its independence, Azerbaijan has consistently focused on establishing and developing strong economic partnerships with regional countries, including through engaging in various global initiatives.